KoogluPooglu. Hey guys, today we're going to learn about the digraph or CK. This is, you can just read the bottom, this is our final consonant digraph. And there's also going to be a second part to this video. So don't forget to watch that. If you haven't watched my previous videos, the link is in the description below. Ba and ka. What does that make? Oh, it makes back. 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 Back means going the opposite way of forward. Ba and ka. Wonder what that is. It's buck. Buck is another way of calling a male moose, or you, bucko. It's a fun way of calling a buddy. Duh and ka. Ha! Now that just sounds weird. Oh, it's duck. Duck. It's that animal that goes quack, quack, quack. Duck. Duck. Daw and ka. Daw. Can you guys guess the word? Dock. It's basically a place where you put the ships, like beside the dock. You put the ships beside the dock so the people can get on and off. Ha and ka. That is hack. Hack is a thing that you do on a computer, like you hack someone. It's like something relating with computers. Ho plus ka. What's this? Oh, it's a hawk. I don't know. It's confusing. Here, have a challenge. Put it in the Instagram comment section if you know what it means. Ja plus ka. Ooh, I know this word. Jack. Jack can be a name, or it means that it's a tool that you use to lift up a car or heavy objects, like you jack up a car so you can replace the tire. I wonder what word's next. Jaw and ka. Oh, I know this word. It's jock. Jock means someone big and strong. He has muscles. And it also means someone who's really, really athletic and sporty. La and ka. I know this word. This word is lack. Lack means you're going behind, like you're behind in resources. Like, I'm lacking resources. Or you're lacking this your attention in a schoolwork. La and ka. What does that mean? Oh, it's a lock. A lock is a thing where it's a tool that you use to secure your things. Like, I'm gonna lock the door, I'm gonna lock this gate. Lock. Lip and ka. Oh, I think we all know what this means. It means lick. I'm licking the lollipop. Lick, lick, lick. I'm licking a lollipop. Ma and ka. Mock. When you're, don't try and be a copycat, and when you mock, don't do it in a mean way. Do it in a fun way. Ne and ka. Oh, this makes neck. I think we all know what our neck is. A neck is what holds our head. It's the thing right below your head. That's called your neck. Ne and ka. It means a small notch, groove, or chip in a corner or a flat surface. Nick. Nick. P and K. What does that make? Oh, it makes pick. Pick means like you're taking something, like, oh, I'm picking that strawberry, or I picked that person to be on my team. Pa and K. Oh, you always have to do this when you're traveling. You have to pack. You have to pack your bag before you go. Otherwise, what will you have? What will you have to wear? Pa and K. That makes pack. Pack means, have you seen a woodpecker? It goes like peck, 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 peck on the wood. That's what it means if you're doing it anywhere else. Peck, peck, peck. P and K. Oh, it's P. So it makes puck. Like a hockey puck, a golf puck, like in grass hockey. Ra and K. That makes rack. You always put your shoes on a shoe rack. You always put your clothes on a clothes rack. So there are a lot of type of racks. Row and K. Oh, that makes rock. I think we all know what a rock is. And there's also a superstar from Hollywood that's nickname is The Rock. Sa and K. Oh, this is where we put our sugar. A sugar sack. A sack is also used to carrying clothes and a bunch of things. So and K. I think we wear this almost every single day. Sock. This is a sock. We wear this every day on the shoes. And we have sit plus K. This happens to us sometimes. We all get sick. Sick is like when you're going like really, really badly, or you're sneezing a lot. Ta and K. Oh, I know this. It's attack. One meaning of attack is that it's a thing used to put papers and posters in place. T and K. Oh, you should not let these get on your skin. Tick. And it also means that, you know the sound like your clock goes tick tock, tick tock. T and K. What does that make? Oh, it makes tuck. That means your mom's probably tucking you into bed, you're sleeping. Tuck also means like putting it under something. You're tucking your shirt in your pants. Wick and K. Oh, wick. Just like in the last video I gave you homework, this time I'm giving you homework to figure out what the meaning is and then tell me. Woo! Yeah and ew. K. What does that make? Yuck! That's disgusting. Yuck means you've seen something disgusting.
Thanks for watching, and also show your support by subscribing my channel and also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye.